Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to the Alo store to do a massive new Alo Yoga Eclipse Blue haul. Now this is the latest color that Alo has released and there are a lot of new styles, so I'm super excited to try these on. Overall, there were new materials and new combinations that were really interesting, I'll say. So the first set that I tried on was the all-day tank and the In the Air Dolphin short. Let's go ahead and talk about this tank first. Overall, I was kind of underwhelmed with it. I felt like it didn't fit very well. It was kind of slouchy. The material was fine. And if you need a top to match, it will do the job, but I wasn't in love with it. Next up, I really wasn't a fan of these shorts. I think the concept was interesting to try to pair these two materials, kind of like a terry cloth material with a windbreaker, which they've also done with this matching cropped in the air short sleeve hoodie, but overall, this was a major pass for me. All right, next up I tried on the classic Airlift. I really liked this set. I thought it was kind of standard, but really sharp. I think the Eclipse Blue in this colorway was really iridescent and kind of futuristic. Circling back to the all-day tank, you can kind of see how this could become a full outfit. Next up, I tried on the seamless ribbed favorite bra tank and seamless ribbed favorite short. I don't know whose favorite this is. I absolutely hate this model. I think it's really unflattering and just overall not my vibe. All right, now for some positive news. I tried on the Alosoft backspin dress and I really loved this. I can't decide if I liked this one or the real tennis dress better, but overall I really do like Alo's tennis dresses. In this model, I tried on a size small because that's the usual size that I wear in their tennis dresses, and I felt like it fit well, if not on the kind of snug side. So I do think this one runs small, and if you like to wear things that are not super tight, I would recommend maybe sizing up. Okay, over top this dress, I tried on the airbrush corset full zip jacket. I've been intrigued by this jacket for a bit, and I will say that it fit really nicely. It was very tapered, and it gave really snug definition. I think when it's open, you kind of miss the fact that there's pockets, but when it's closed and it kind of hugs your body, it feels kind of like a well-fit armor. I will also mention that it has finger holes or thumb holes, which is always a benefit. Okay, now we're gonna get into my two favorite looks. First up, we have this cute little tennis outfit. So this is the Alosoft crop finesse short sleeve with the match point tennis skirt. I tried both of these in a size small, which felt really comfortable. I usually wear a size small in their tops, as well as an extra small or a small in the skirt, usually on the small with something like this. Now, last up, I did try on the Accolade set. Now, due to size availability, I tried an extra small on the hoodie and an extra small on the pants. I usually would go for a double XS on the hoodie. Now, if you've been subscribed to the Fashion Try-On for a while now, you will remember that my first experience with the black and burgundy Accolade was a little lackluster, but I did pick up the ballet pink sweat set. Now, unfortunately, I think this blue Eclipse Accolade is lackluster as well. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like this collection? Do you like this color? Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.